Hi and welcome to our channel. One of the biggest problems all aspiring entrepreneurs face is how to set up an online store and promote your products to the world. You can use social media all you want, but at some point you will want to start making real sales and you will need an e-commerce website. Zyro is a website builder that makes it quick and easy to create an online store. You can also take advantage of our limited time offer to create your new website for less than $3 a month. For that, we'll leave you with a discount code and link below this video to get up to 72% plus 3 months free with any annual plan.
Zyro is a website builder that provides all the tools you need to design and launch a website and e-commerce store in minutes. Zyro's feature set is impressive, including business management tools, sales features, and it even dabbles in marketing tools. Zyro lets you start the web design process with a beautiful template. There are over 100 options to choose from, and they are all customizable. However, it's worth mentioning here that all Zyro templates can be turned into e-commerce stores. You just need to add their e-commerce feature and voila, you're all set. You can upload your own images, customize the design, and update the copy to suit your needs. It's safe to say that all Zyro templates have a professional, modern, and elegant design. Zyro provides users with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor that makes customizing templates incredibly easy. You simply drag the selected web item to where you want it to appear on the web page and leave it in the place. Then you just click on the component to edit it further. The drag-and-drop editor makes it easy for novice web designers. The Zyro editor lets you insert the following elements into your web pages: text, images, videos, Instagram feed, subscription buttons, social icons, contact forms, map, and buttons. Zyro allows you to customize web pages with a great tool for perfect pixel placement. It allows you to be pretty precise with your design. Elements just fall into place so everything is perfectly aligned without spending hours painstakingly adjusting everything to make it look right. Zyro gives you access to a photo library of over 1 million license-free images through Unsplash. You can outfit your website with professional-looking images that highlight your brand without spending money on stock images or hiring a photographer. Zyro makes it easy to create and launch an online store. In theory, you can start selling in minutes. There are ready-made templates that you can use as the basis for your online store. You can change all of this with Zyro's intuitive drag-and-drop editor. All Zyro digital stores are secure and optimized for mobile shoppers. In addition, the platform makes it easy to sell with buy buttons. Users can easily add them to their product pages, and if you upgrade to their e-commerce plus plan, you can use these buttons to sell anywhere online, including Instagram, Facebook, and Amazon. Zyro's main toolbar is intuitive. From here, you can add and manage your entire inventory, including categorizing and tracking your items. This gives you the full control over your inventory. You can accept customer payments through PayPal, Visa, Visa Debit, credit cards, and MasterCard. Zyro provides many shipping management tools that makes it easy to check order history, track payments, keep track of the delivery status, send automatic delivery notifications to the customer via email. On top of that, Zyro also automatically handles shipping and tax documents. Zyro offers the features you need to show customized ads on Facebook and Google Shopping. When done well, they do wonders for expanding your reach and targeting your ideal demographic. Plus, their built-in reports make it easy to track your sales and the success of your marketing campaigns. You can even integrate Zyro with Google Analytics to gather more data on what's working and what's not, what can be improved, and so on. You can also sell gift cards and apply discounts to your products. This will come in handy for promotions to encourage site visitors to make a purchase. Zyro has built-in SEO assistant to help you update your page titles and descriptions so that you're fully optimized for SEO. If you're worried about whether or not you can create quality content for your website, Zyro's artificial intelligence writer will take care of that for you. It will fill your website with top-notch content in minutes. Rest assured, all website copy created by the AI writer is designed for SEO and tailored to reflect the voice of your brand. In addition to the AI writer, Zyro provides several online tools that newcomers may find particularly useful. You can create unique ideas for company names using Zyro's company name generator. Just type in a few keywords relevant to your industry, and Zyro will come up with many suggestions. Like the company name generator, the Zyro slogan generator is another free tool on the Zyro website. Not surprisingly, it works about the same way. Just enter a single keyword related to your brand, and the AI tool will offer a list of suggestions for catchy slogans. Last but not least, Zyro also provides a free online logo designer that organizes your company name and slogan into beautiful layout along with a basic silhouette of shape. You have some design freedom. You can edit the placement, fonts, and icons that accompany your logo. Zyro has 24-hour customer service ready to answer your questions at any time. However, if you're not already a Zyro customer, they encourage you to send a message through the email application. Once you become a user, you can email Zyro through their live chat widget, which you will find in their editor. They will usually get back to you within a few minutes. Zyro also offers a frequently asked questions section.